Hi guys, this is Tejas and this is going to be a first tutorial video on HTML. So let me brief you. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it's like a standard markup language which is used for creating the websites. So in this course, we are going to learn how to create HTML files using a tool called VS Code or Visual Studio Code. I have this website open. I'm also going to add this link in the description. So here you can download the software in any of the OS like Windows, Linux, or Mac, and it's easy to install steps just like in Windows, you just go like next, and so yeah, like it's like there is also some guides to install in Mac and Linux. So I already have it installed. Let me open it. Okay, so after we open it, we need to open a folder. Like for example, go to File and Open Folder. So I have like created an empty folder called Web Development. So already opened it. So inside this, I'm going to create another folder. You can do that using this tab, New Folder, and this folder will be called HTML. So now let us see how to create our first HTML file. So yeah, inside this folder, I'm going to create a file. For creating a file, we can go to the first option, New File, and let us call it I don't know, my first HTML, and okay, my first HTML.html. Yeah, we need to save this file with the .html format, so it knows like what type of code it is. In VS Code, we have like autocompletes, and also we have a way to do autocomplete a boilerplate. So boilerplate is let me show you. Like if you use dot explanatory mark, and it's this, there is a Emmet extension installed over here. So if you do just like like explanatory mark and like enter, so this it's been loaded. This is like a boilerplate, basic syntax, let's say, like a website. So yeah, so let me briefly go through it. The doc type says the web browser like it's an HTML file. In the head tag, we have some metadata and title. So we'll go to this briefly in the next topics, but let me show you the first tag which we're going to use. So anything we are going to use in the body will be like displayed in the website. So we use a tag called p is used for like paragraphs. So here we can write like my my first website, and in this title, like we can write my HTML, for example. So yeah, we can use Control S to save this file. So yeah, a good thing in VS Code is we can run like a live copy of this website, like which we created. So we have to just right click and open with the live server. So yeah, it opened. So welcome if you made it so far. So you have your own first website. So it's like, yeah, this my first website. It's like the paragraph we typed, and my HTML is like the title over here. The title is on the top. So yeah, guys. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll go in detail with more tags and more with structure of the website. Thank you. Bye.